Experiencing emergency calls only on Mint Mobile means your phone can't connect to the network for regular calls or texts. This usually happens because your phone's SIM card isn't properly registered. Or there's an issue with IMS, IP Multimedia Subsystem, which is essential for VoLTE, Voice over LTE, and modern cellular services. Mint Mobile, as an MVNO using T-Mobile's network, can be susceptible to these issues. The good news is, there are several steps you can take to troubleshoot and fix it, often without needing to contact support. Start by checking your SIM card insertion. Remove and reinsert it firmly to ensure proper connection. First, ensure your SIM card is properly inserted. Remove it and reinsert it firmly. Try these quick fixes. Restart your phone, toggle airplane mode on and off, or reset your network settings. If those don't work, check your APN settings and make sure they match Mint Mobile's defaults. Mint Mobile's app has a network troubleshooter feature that can automatically diagnose and fix SIM and IMS registration problems. If problems persist, a SIM card swap from Mint Mobile might be necessary, particularly in areas with spotty T-Mobile coverage.